Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Karen to Clean. And it's about time that I do some cleaning in the kitchen. And this time, it's not really a deep clean per se, but I did move some stuff off the counter so that way I can kind of clean it. This one is more of a thorough clean instead of just my normal like daily routine type of clean. But anyway, one thing I was going to say is this. Okay, so we did get the sink finally where it's draining correctly and all that stuff. So thank goodness my sink is actually doing what it's supposed to do, as in draining. But anyway, one of the things I wanted to say is a tip. Okay, so we do have a garbage disposal in our sink, right? However, if we put a lot of like grease or food or anything like that down in the drain, eventually it's going to stop up. So we had talked to some friends about it and everything, and they kind of gave us some tips on what to do. So pretty much anything that has got grease in it or oil in it or whatever have you, or if it's still got some leftover or even stuck on food or whatnot and everything, we pretty much will kind of dump it outside, like in the backyard or something like that, because we definitely don't want our sink stopping up again. And the other day, I noticed that the sink was kind of not really stopping up per se, but it kind of bubbled up in the garbage disposal a little bit. So my husband, did treat it with the BioClean, and it's been, like I said, it's been working really good. So no complaints there. But anyway, that is my tip for you guys. So even though you may have a garbage disposal and everything like that, really be careful. I guess it depends on what kind of plumbing you have and everything like that, because I can think it depends on the plumbing. But basically, yeah, I have been now throwing my stuff kind of like outside or whatnot in the backyard or whatnot, so that way the oil or the food won't go down to the drain and stuff like that and get it stopped up. So anyway, that is my tip for sure when trying to keep your sink from clogging up so much or whatnot and all that stuff. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gives you some inspiration and motivation. And like I said before, make sure you do have a home for everything in your kitchen or whatnot. Kind of organize it, purge it, and all that stuff every once in a while, so that way it's easier to keep the kitchen maintained and cleaned and all that. And I usually do a routine kind of clean at night or whatever, kind of late in the evening and all that stuff, when everybody's kind of done with the kitchen. So that's usually when I do clean it and all that stuff. Anyway, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Well, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gives you some motivation and all that. And I will see you guys next time, and I'll just play some music for you guys to enjoy, to get you in the mood to hopping, to get to cleaning. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.